First, log into your FeedMe portal, then go to menu and click menu. So from here, you can add your product at here. But now I will teach you how to export and import. First, you can click to export. Then you download the file. Go to the file, and you right click and extract it. So extract to the same folder. So it shows here. So now you got 3 files. One is an add-on, item link, and a menu. So double click it. So you can click enable editing. So from here, it's the item code, just leave it blank so that it will create a new item. So here's the order code. Blank it if there's no edit code. So here will show the item name. So just key in on here. Then for this one is variant key. Normally you just leave it. Then this is a variant name. Then one pricing in the same item. And here you will set your category. Your new category. You can create the category if the not existed. Then you can set your subcategory as well. Then order from, is it allowed for POS or none or for all, which is included the online ordering. Here it shows your per unit. Normally I just leave it blank. Then for the unit. Then open price. If there's open price, then just click key means for true, yes, for open price. No, it just leave it blank. So here you edit your selling price. Let's say 2.5. So this one for the price group, you can set by your own. Then your delivery price and your tracking cost. Just leave it blank if you don't have any tracking costs. So for the minimum price and your group under the parent. So this one for the normal item, I just leave it blank. This one for your takeaway name. Let's say I got the food called the food container. Then I put a takeaway name for food container for 1 ringgit. Then your takeaway price. So if you in the new one, just fill in continue from here. So each of the sheet will have their own category. After that, just click save. Just click save. Then once you save, go to your FeedMe portal just now and import it. Then you select add the file. So just select the file and upload again. Then just click import. Go to the file just now. You also can edit your add-on group and your item link add-on. Other than that, there's a new way to do it, which is you can click here for your bunch edit. Let's say you have to change the price, change the category, or set your order form. So you can edit. After that, just click save. Other than that, you can click on menu management for you to expand and edit from here. Then you can edit one by one. Just click save. Then don't forget to go to publish and publish it. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari posisi, cari.